Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and updated firmware so the auto switch can behave predictably. Once done, physically locate the auto switch button and note the mode LEDs beside it. Press and hold for 2 seconds to wake the control logic, then open the device settings, enable auto switch, and grant any permission prompts. You do this because physical activation pairs the hardware latch with the software gate. Without both, the button will not change system behavior. You now configure how the button behaves under load and time. First, choose primary versus secondary mode and set the priority order so the device knows which state to prefer. Next, adjust debounce timing to 0. 5-10 seconds to avoid false triggers, and set auto switch intervals from 1 to 60 minutes so transitions match your workflow. Once configured, save the profile and perform a short manual toggle to observe state changes. This confirms both timing and priority are applied correctly. Finish by running extended test cycles while monitoring LEDs and the status log so you capture intermittent failures. If you see drift or missed triggers, recalibrate the sensor thresholds and increase debounce time. Those adjustments reduce false positives and missed activations. Make sure to export your working profile before performing a factory reset. If you must reset, re-import the profile to restore settings quickly. If the button still fails, check the physical connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.